The MILESEEE TR256i and TR160i thermal imagers for Android represent the epitome of innovation and functionality in the realm of thermal imaging technology. Whether you're a professional seeking precision in your work or an enthusiast exploring the wonders of the thermal world, these thermal cameras promise to elevate your vision and unlock a realm of possibilities previously unseen. With their unparalleled resolution, accuracy, versatility, and accessibility, the MILESEEE thermal imagers are more than just tools, they are gateways to a world of discovery and exploration. The MILESEEE TR256i and TR160i excel on both fronts, seamlessly integrating with Android smartphones to offer a cohesive and intuitive user experience. With the accompanying mobile app, users can harness the full potential of their thermal imagers, capturing, analyzing, and sharing thermal images with ease. Whether you're in the field, on the job site, or exploring the great outdoors, these thermal cameras serve as your trusted companions, empowering you to document, analyze, and act upon thermal data in real time. The MILESEEE TR256i and TR160i also cater to the needs of pet owners and animal lovers. From locating lost pets to monitoring their health and behavior, these thermal imagers offer a unique perspective on the world of animals. By detecting subtle variations in body temperature, users can identify pets hiding in dense foliage, track their movements in low light conditions, and even detect signs of illness or distress, facilitating timely intervention and care. At the core of the MILESEEE TR256i and TR160i lies a sophisticated thermal imaging sensor, boasting a remarkable resolution of 256x192 and 120x90 respectively.